Okay, so what I'd like to show you now are some options for using a simple paste into command. So I have this image of this woman, and I have the image of the clouds, and I'm going to assemble these two images using a paste into command. And with this, what I want to do is create a targeted region, paste into that targeted region. So I could make it a vector shape or a selection. I'm going to just use a selection for this one. I'm just going to make a rectangular selection, and the idea is that instead of just pasting directly into the document, I'm going to paste into this targeted region. So I'm going to grab the image here of the lady, and I'm going to do a select and all, edit and copy, go over to the clouds picture, choose edit, and instead of using paste, I want to choose paste into. So it's going to paste it into that selected region, and it ends up with something like this. So this is really cool. So now if I grab my move tool, I can move the picture around inside of that mask, or if I want, I can lock the mask and the image and move the two together, and I can do other things as well. So from here, I can go down and use my layer styles, the FX button. If I click there, I can add a drop shadow to the image. And I can modify the distance and the spread of that shadow and the angle of the shadow, and it's showing me down here in the lower right how that's going to be depicted. So I've got this wonderful shadow. I'm going to click OK, and I've initiated my effects palette. I can reinitiate by double-clicking effects, and in addition to using the effects for a shadow, I'm going to use a bevel and emboss. I'm going to go to bevel and emboss. And I want to set the gloss contour to the first one, just a straight slanted. And then I can choose an outer bevel, inner bevel, emboss, pillow emboss, stroke emboss. I'm going to set it to inner bevel, and I can adjust the depth of the bevel. I can adjust the size of the bevel, and I can make the bevel softer or harder. Click OK. And now I've done a paste into command, and I've inserted a picture, and we worked a little bit with some layer styles and created this interesting looking image.